Do you want to know about human body? If yes, then you are at right place.
The human body comprises many systems that act together physiologically to provide us with complete well-being. These are the organ systems of human body: Skeletal System, Muscular System, Cardiovascular System, Respiratory System, Nervous System, Endocrine System, Digestive System, Excretory System, Reproductive System. Skeletal System. The skeletal system comprises 206 bones. Bones allow movements of body parts and provide shape to the body. Bones are like anchors for the various muscles. The backbone comprises 24 bones and supports the head and upper body. The backbone protects the spinal cord. The skull protects your brain. Ribs protect the lungs and heart from injury. Long bones contain marrow in the core, which is made of red and white blood cells. Bones store minerals such as calcium and phosphorus. The skeletal system also comprises connective tissues that play an important role in physical activity. The different types of connective tissues are: 1. Cartilage, flexible discs providing cushioning at the joints. 2. Ligaments, strong cords that connect the bones at each joint. 3. Tendons, tough bands of tissues that attach the muscles to bones. Muscular system, voluntary muscles, makes body parts move. Smooth muscles, involuntary muscles, found in the stomach, intestine, etc. Cardiac muscles, a type of involuntary muscle, found only in the walls of the heart that enable it to pump blood throughout the body. Cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart and a network of blood vessels. Systemic circulation comprises arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and transport essential nutrients to organs and tissues. Veins bring back deoxygenated blood along with waste products back to the heart. Pulmonary circulation is the flow of blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart. Respiratory system. The respiratory system comprises the airway, the nose, mouth, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles, the lungs and the muscles of respiration. It provides the body with continuous supply of oxygen during inhalation and helps the body get rid of carbon dioxide during exhalation. Nervous system. The nervous system contains the central nervous system, which includes the brain and the spinal cord. It is the body's primary control center. It also holds the peripheral nervous system that includes neurons and nerves that connect the central nervous system to all parts of the body. Endocrine system. The endocrine system comprises many glands that secrete hormones. Different glands are: the pituitary gland regulates the bodily functions via hormones. The pancreas produces insulin that controls blood sugar levels. The thyroid hormone regulates the chemical reactions of nutrients in the cells. The adrenal glands help maintain levels of sodium and water. They control the response to stress and emergencies by secreting adrenaline. The ovaries, the female sex organs. The testes, the male sex organs. The parathyroid glands control the blood calcium levels in the body. Digestive system. The digestive system helps in breaking down food to release chemical energy. Energy helps in the repair and making of new cells in the body. Energy also helps in the working of body systems, heart, lungs, kidneys, brain and others, and also during physical activity. Digestion begins in the mouth with the help of salivary enzymes. Swallowing makes the food enter the esophagus, which in turn pushes it down to the stomach. Gastric acid and enzymes break down the proteins in the food. Partially digested food enters the small intestine, where bile from the liver helps in the digestion of fats. Pancreatic enzymes help in the digestion of proteins. Digestive enzymes present in the brush border of the intestine further help in the digestion of dietary carbohydrates and proteins. Nutrients enter the bloodstream from the walls of the small intestine as glucose, amino acids and emulsified fat particles. Excretory system. Urinary excretion is the process of removing wastes from the body. The skin excretes some waste through perspiration. The lungs expel carbon dioxide when we exhale. The colon gets rid of the remains of food that cannot be digested. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system comprises the prostate gland, seminal vesicles, urethra, penis, testes, and scrotum. Sperms are produced in the testes on the onset of puberty, between 12 and 15 years of age. Semen with sperms is mixed with the seminal fluid, which is produced by the seminal vesicles. Muscular contractions force the semen out through the urethra. This is termed as ejaculation. Reproductive system. Female reproductive system, ovaries which store egg cells and produce hormones. Fallopian tubes that carry eggs from the ovaries to the uterus. Uterus. This shelters and nourishes the fertilized egg as it grows into a new human being. Cervix is the opening of the uterus. Vagina is the passage connecting the uterus to the opening between the